Cucumber, also known as hanging melon, etc., is the most common melon vegetable in daily life. Cucumber has a very high water content and is also rich in nutrients such as vitamins, dietary fiber, protein, and minerals such as calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, and sodium. It has the functions of clearing away heat and detoxification, producing body fluids and quenching thirst, and losing weight and cellulite. It is especially suitable for consumption in summer. Cucumber is not only rich in nutrients, but also a weight loss food. Eggs are rich in protein, fat, vitamins, iron, calcium, potassium, and other minerals needed by the human body. The protein is high quality protein and has a repairing effect on liver tissue damage. Let's make delicious cucumber fried egg soup today. Cucumber, eggs, sliced cucumber, crack eggs into bowl. Heat oil. Fried eggs. Add 1 teaspoon chopped garlic and stir fry. Pour 1 big bowl hot boiling water. Once boiled, add 1 teaspoon chicken powder, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon salt, add cucumber slices, simmer and cook until cucumber has softened. Pour into soup bowl. Drizzle sesame oil. Garnish with fried shallots. Delicious cucumber fried egg soup is done. This soup is tasty and not greasy. The more you drink, the better it tastes. Cook this soup for your family. They will love it too. I share delicious and simple recipes every day. If you like cooking, don't miss it, ya. Follow my channel now, and when you need recipe inspiration, just click on my page, as there are thousands of delicious recipes waiting for you. If you are willing, please also leave me a like too. Thank you all. Eggs rich in DHA, lecithin, and vitelin. It is beneficial to the nervous system and physical development. It can strengthen the brain, improve memory, and promote liver cell regeneration. Eggs are rich in protein and contain 8 essential amino acids required by the human body. The protein quality and amino acid composition are excellent, making them a good dietary protein supplement. It is better for the elderly to eat 1 to 2 meals a day. Young and middle-aged people engaged in mental work or light physical work. It is also appropriate to eat 2 eggs a day. If you are engaged in heavy physical labor, consumption can eat 2 to 3 eggs a day. Teenagers and children, due to their long body and fast metabolism, they can also eat 2 to 3 eggs a day. There are more eggs soup recipes in my channel. Do check them out. There are many benefits to drinking soup, such as ease of digestion, and the ingredients in the soup are usually very well cooked. Moreover, soup is low in calories. Compared with solid food, soup has much lower calories. On the premise of getting the same feeling of fullness, drinking soup will not involve too many calories and cause obesity. For people with excessive stomach acid, drinking soup can dilute the stomach acid. Getting more water is good for your health. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, ya.